Hello, my name is Dr. Steele, and welcome to Steele Mathematics, where lessons in Algebra 1, Geometry, Algebra 2, Pre-Calculus, and Calculus are taught. Today, we're going to talk about finding the distance between 2 points using the distance formula. Now, what exactly is the distance formula? Suppose that the endpoints of a line segment are x sub 1, y sub 1, and x sub 2, y sub 2. The distance between x sub 1, y sub 1, and x sub 2, y sub 2 is the square root of the square of the difference of x sub 2 and x sub 1 plus the square of the difference of y sub 2, y sub 1. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you examples of how to use this formula. So let's say you ask to find the distance between each pair of points. The first thing you want to do is to label your points. X sub 1, y sub 1, x sub 2, y sub 2. So now we're going to put these coordinates into the distance formula. So this is 11 minus negative 4 squared plus negative 5 minus 3 squared. Well, 11 minus negative 4 is 15. Negative 5 minus 3 is negative 8. 15 squared is 225. 8 squared is 64. So 225 plus 64 is 289, and the square root of 289 is 17. Therefore, 17 is the distance. Next, we have 3, 0, and 0, negative 4. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to label our points. X sub 1, y sub 1, and x sub 2, y sub 2. We're going to put them in the formula. 0 minus 3 squared plus negative 4 minus 0 squared. 0 minus 3 is negative 3. Negative 4 minus 0 is negative 4. Negative 3 squared is 9. And 4 squared is 16. 9 plus 16 is 25, and the square root of 25 is 5. Therefore, the distance between the 2 points is 5. Next, we have 3, 8, and negative 2, negative 7. We're going to label our points x sub 1, y sub 1, and x sub 2, y sub 2. We will put them into the formula. We got negative 2 minus 3 squared plus negative 7 minus 8 squared. Negative 2 minus 3 is negative 5. Negative 7 minus 8 is negative 15. Negative 5 squared is 25. Negative 15 squared is 225. 25 plus 225 is 250. And the square root of 250 is 5 times the square root of 10. Therefore, The distance between the 2 points is 5 times the square root of 10. So using the distance formula is pretty straightforward. All you got to do is identify x sub 1, y sub 1, and x sub 2, y sub 2, and put them in the formula. And from there, you just calculate. I hope that you have a wonderful and blessed day.